Researchers turned $10,000 Bitcoin purchase into $10 million stash. But selling it is a major hurdle. Bitcoin, MiCA, Spain. With banks across Europe still wary of handling Bitcoin over regulatory and volatility concerns, ITER's attempt to liquidate its 13-year-old crypto holdings faces an uphill path. Journalist Hassan Shittu. Journalist Hassan Shittu. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, November 6, 2025. A Spanish public research institute is facing unexpected challenges as it prepares to sell a long-forgotten Bitcoin stash now worth over $10 million. Originally purchased for just $10,000 more than a decade ago. The Institute of Technology and Renewable Energies, ITER, a public body overseen by the Tenerife Island Council, bought 97 Bitcoin in 2012 as part of an experimental blockchain research project. At the time, Bitcoin traded at roughly $100 per coin. 13 years later, with Bitcoin hovering near $103,200, that modest research expense has turned into a multimillion-dollar windfall. Can Spain's public sector sell its Bitcoin under MiCA? According to the Spanish newspaper El Día, the Tenerife Council is finalizing plans to divest the holdings but faces major logistical and regulatory complications. Most European banks still refuse to handle Bitcoin transactions, citing volatility and strict compliance requirements. Juan José Martínez, Tenerife's counselor for innovation, said the council is coordinating with a Spanish financial institution authorized by both the Bank of Spain and the National Securities Market Commission, CNMV, to manage the sale. He said the transaction is expected to be completed in the coming months, with proceeds earmarked for reinvestment into ITER's scientific initiatives, including research in quantum technologies. The 2012 purchase was never meant as an investment but as part of an experimental project to understand blockchain infrastructure, Martínez told El Día. At Bitcoin's current market price, ITER's holdings are valued at more than $10 million, down from about $12 million in early October when Bitcoin briefly reached a record high near $126,000, according to Crypto News data. While the windfall represents an extraordinary return on a small research expenditure, turning those gains into cash is proving far more complex. In Spain, financial institutions and exchanges face tight oversight under a web of national and EU-level regulations, including the markets in crypto assets, MiCA, framework, anti-money laundering, AML, rules, and strict advertising standards. MiCA, which becomes fully applicable across the EU by the end of 2024 with a transitional period through December 2025, requires all crypto asset service providers to obtain licenses from the CNMV. For ITER, a public institution, compliance also involves verifying the origin of funds and ensuring adherence to Spain's anti-money laundering procedures, overseen by the Financial Intelligence Unit CEPLAC. Financial institutions are especially cautious when handling crypto transactions from state-linked entities due to complex asset classification requirements. Under MiCA, crypto assets fall into distinct categories, including e-money tokens, asset reference tokens, or other crypto assets like Bitcoin, each with its own reporting and compliance obligations. Together, these measures make it difficult for public entities to move large volumes of crypto without extensive due diligence. Spanish banks begin crypto push as BBVA launches Bitcoin and Ether trading. Despite these hurdles, Spain's financial sector is gradually embracing regulated digital asset services. In October, banking giant BBVA became the first major Spanish lender to offer 24/7 retail cryptocurrency trading. The service, approved by the CNMV, allows customers to buy, sell, and manage Bitcoin and Ether directly through BBVA's mobile banking app. Earlier this year, BBVA also introduced independent custody services for Binance customers, allowing assets backed by U.S. Treasuries to be held directly with the bank. Meanwhile, lawmakers are tightening consumer protection standards. In July, the Sumar Parliamentary Group proposed a traffic light risk labeling system for crypto assets. Under the proposal, tokens would be assigned color-coded warnings, from green for supervised and stable assets to red for speculative coins with no identifiable backing, to help retail investors assess risks more easily. The initiative follows a broader effort by Spanish regulators to ensure greater transparency and accountability in crypto markets, particularly as digital asset adoption expands across Europe. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Bitcoin price prediction. First major BTC treasury just sold big. Is the bull market officially finished? XRP price prediction. Ripple just opened spot trading in the US. Is institutional demand about to explode? Dogecoin price prediction. Elon Musk set to launch Doge to the literal moon. Could this be the $1 catalyst? Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Whale activity surges. Is ADA targeting $10? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Aster by the end of 2025. 3 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Crypto price prediction today, November 5th. XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. 1 day ago, by Simon Chandler. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Ben Beto.